Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change a video description in YouTube Studio in 2026. So if you want to update links, fix information, or improve your video SEO, this guide will walk you through it step by step. First, open YouTube in your browser and sign in to your account. Then click your profile picture in the top right corner and select YouTube Studio. Once you're inside the dashboard, click the Content tab from the left side menu. This section contains all your uploaded videos. Now find the video you want to edit and click on its title or thumbnail to open the details page. Scroll down to the description box and click inside it. Then update your text, links, hashtags, or any information you want to change. Try adding important keywords naturally in the description. This can help your video appear in search results more easily. You can also add social media links, affiliate links, timestamps, or links to other videos. Once you finish editing, click the Save button in the top right corner to apply the changes. Now refresh your video page and check the description section to make sure everything updated correctly. Keeping your descriptions updated can help viewers find important information faster and improve overall channel organization. So that's how to change a video description in YouTube Studio in 2026. It's quick, simple, and really important for better video management. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.